Imagine owning a piece of a legend that has been roaring for over 125 years. This is Eicher Motors, the powerhouse behind Royal Enfield and a global leader in both lifestyle motorcycling and industrial momentum. Founded in 1901, Eicher Motors is an Indian multinational and the parent company of Royal Enfield, one of the world's oldest motorcycle brands. Today, it is a truly global player with manufacturing hubs across India, Brazil, Thailand, and Nepal. Eicher operates as a unique dual-engine powerhouse. On one side is Royal Enfield, the iconic high-margin division famous for classic style. On the other is VECV, a strategic joint venture with the Volvo Group focused on sustainable, future-ready commercial technology. Royal Enfield is a global lifestyle, not just a motorcycle. With beloved models like the Classic 350 and Hunter 350, they sold 10 lakh units globally in the 2024 to 2025 fiscal year, catering to everyone from urban commuters to adventure seekers. Royal Enfield holds a command center position in the industry. They currently command an incredible 87.3% market share in India's mid-size motorcycle segment. Driving global commerce is VECV, which brought in 23,548 crores in revenue for fiscal year 2025. By leveraging Volvo's engineering excellence, they are leading the way in electric and cleaner fuel vehicles. The first part of their strategic moat is an unbreakable global brand. With a legacy spanning over a century, Royal Enfield has created an authentic lifestyle and high brand loyalty that competitors simply cannot replicate. The second part of the moat is global scale combined with localized production. State-of-the-art facilities across multiple continents ensure efficient production and a comprehensive portfolio tailored to diverse market needs. Finally, they're engineering a sustainable future. Eicher is a pioneer in electric vehicles and demonstrates a strong commitment to green manufacturing, with 84% of their operations running on renewable power. The company has a proven track record of profitable growth. For the 2024 to 2025 fiscal year, total revenue hit 18,870 crores, with profit after tax growing 18% year over year. In the second quarter of fiscal year 2026, Eicher reported revenue of 6,172 crore rupees, a staggering 44.8% jump year over year. Profit after tax reached 1,369 crore rupees, while earnings per share grew to 49.93. The Eicher Motors investment thesis is clear. Explosive momentum, a unique dual-engine business model, a deep strategic moat, and absolute market dominance. Ride the legend and embrace the future. For more smart investing insights, follow @ZinvestZ. But remember, this is for educational purposes. Always conduct your own research.